It's easy to get comfortable eating the same vegan meals day in and day out, but it's definitely a good idea to make sure that you're getting well-balanced nutrition. Let's keep it easy. Hey guys, welcome back to Natural Vegan Mama, where we're all about showing you how easy this vegan lifestyle can be. If you don't know me, my name is Shantae. I'm a vegan coach. And if you do know me, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to ensure you're getting well-rounded nutrition. But before I start, it's always a good idea to check with your doctor before you're starting any major diet change. I'm so happy to see you guys again. But before we get started, this video is a video series. I'm going to be sharing all the tips and tricks so that you can go vegan and stay vegan. This video is probably right in the middle of the series. So if you haven't seen a couple videos before this one, definitely go back and check those out. I'll leave them in the description box below. And definitely subscribe, because if you subscribe and hit the notification bell, you'll get a message anytime I upload a video, and that way you won't miss any of the videos in this series. It's like having your own private vegan coach in your phone. So for this video, I'm going to be talking about 3 parts of making sure you're getting well-rounded nutrition. I'm going to be talking about omega fatty acids, I'm going to be talking about your B12, and I'm also going to be talking about calcium. So research has shown that omega-3 is really powerful and great for healthy joints, healthy hair, soft skin, a healthy brain, and strong nails. A lot of people would like us to think that the only place to get our omega-3 is from fish. And in actuality, the fish are getting those omega-3s from the sea plants that they're eating. So there are a lot of different plant-based ways that you can get your omega-3s. So really quick, I'm going to give you 4 ways you can get your omega-3s without harming any fish. You can get your omega-3s through various nuts and seeds like flax seeds, chia seeds, walnuts, and mustard seeds. So there's a lot of different information going on out there about whether or not we need to be consuming B12. I will leave some information in the description box below from doctors who have done the research and can let you know firsthand what is really going on with B12. My opinion is you definitely want to make sure you're having B12 in some form or fashion, because it is essential to our diets. So what I like to do is include it in my diet naturally with some nutritional yeast. And I also like to make sure I'm taking a supplement once in a while that has B12 in it. Hey guys, I just wanted to pop into the video really quick to let you know you can sign up for my newsletter. If you sign up for my newsletter on my website, naturalveganmama.com, you'll get recipes, tips, and you'll get your own private vegan coach delivered right to your email box. All right, enjoy the rest of the video. Bye. So we've always heard that milk does a body good and that you need milk to build strong bones. The reason that we're told that is because the milk industry have been releasing a lot of media propaganda and advertisement to make sales, and that's what they're in business to do. Unfortunately, they're exploiting animals, harming animals, and killing animals at the same time, and it's not healthy. It has cholesterol, it has so many other things in there that we don't want. So we want to make sure that we're getting calcium somehow. And the truth of the matter is you can get calcium from plants. Yay! So I'm going to leave a lot of information below as to which plants do contain a lot of calcium. Kale and spinach are really great sources of calcium. Broccoli is also another great source of calcium. And the funny thing is, cows do not produce calcium. Cows are getting the calcium from the plants that they're eating, and we're getting it secondhand. So just keep that in mind. If you are interested in taking a supplement like a multivitamin to make sure you're getting all of the vitamins and nutrients that you need, just make sure that it's a vegan supplement, because a lot of vitamins have gelatin in them, as well as other ingredients that are derived from animals. So you want to be careful with the multivitamin that you're taking. But at the end of the day, the best place to get all of your vitamins and nutrients are from plant-based foods. So make sure you're eating a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, beans, sprouts, and you'll be on your way to being a lot healthier. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you look out for the next video, and I will see you then.